In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your federal and state tax refund online. Let's start with your federal refund. The most reliable way to check its status is the IRS's online tool called Where's My Refund? You'll find it on the official IRS website. Before you start, have three details ready: your social security number, your filing status as it appears on your return, and the exact refund amount you're expecting. Using the exact dollar amount is important. Rounding or guessing can cause the tool to return an error. When you open the tool, type that information carefully and submit it to see your current status. The status you'll see is pulled directly from the IRS systems and will change as your return moves through processing. If the tool can't find your return, double check that your filing status matches what you selected when you filed and that the refund amount matches your return exactly. It's a good idea to use a secure internet connection and avoid entering sensitive details on public Wi-Fi. Also, always access the tool directly from the IRS website rather than from links in emails or messages to avoid phishing. Now, for state tax refunds, the process is similar, but you'll go to your state's Department of Revenue or tax agency website. Most states offer a Where's My Refund or refund status tool on their official site. You'll typically need your social security number or state taxpayer ID, your filing status, and your expected state refund amount. Some states might also ask for a specific code or tax year, which you'll find on your state return. Because each state system is a little different, follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure the information you enter matches your filed return. If you run into issues like a mismatch error or an unexpected delay, review your return to confirm the numbers and check whether your state requires additional verification. Many sites include FAQs that explain common status messages and what they mean. For more guidance, you can explore reputable tax education resources from TurboTax, including articles in partnership with The Street. These cover common refund tracking questions, helpful definitions, and what to expect at each stage. To recap, the federal Where's My Refund tool and your state's Department of Revenue website are the primary places to track your refund. Have your details ready, enter them exactly as filed, and check back periodically. With the right information and the official tools, you'll always know where your refund stands.